Welcome back to the Tech Coach Strike 10-pin bowling series, showing you all the different parts of this game, Strike 10-pin bowling for the Apple TV, which is really awesome and easy and very cheap and fun to play with friends. This video is going to be on the classic 10-pin game. I'm going to just show it to you and show you just an overview of kind of a few of the games, how this plays out in them, and then I'll just play one of the games and you'll just get to see how I do. But we do have a whole other series. I'm going through all the games because there's really cool ones, and I have my overview video, so I'll post links to all those in the descriptions below. Check it out, and I might post some links to them up here as they come up if they're relevant. We'll go over the mini games, the overall how the game works, and the shot mechanics, and it's a really great game. So let's dive into this original kind of main version of it, which is the 10-pin bowling. If you want to see my shot, check that out in another video. For this one, I'm just going to be shooting them and showing you the screen. So there's the 10-pin, 10 frames of the classic game. There's also a 3 games for the professional. So you play 3 in a row, and I guess that's if you want to be really serious and get an overall score and not leave it to one single game when you're playing with your friends. There's a taste, that's for the free version of this app, and it's only a few frames, so it's not really great. And that's about it. So we'll jump back over to this 10 frames, and we will click select. You can play up to 4 players, so we'll play with just us. I'll take this techie ball for this time. And I'm just gonna play a couple quick overviews, and I really, again, do suggest checking out the video on this to shoot. You slide near the bottom of the trackpad to slide across the lane. Slide along the top to change your angle, and then you do the normal, the normal shooting action, which I'll just show you quickly here. And yeah, it works, and it picks up on curves and everything. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna do this fair. I'm gonna restart this. I'm gonna play this. And I'm gonna play a full frame, and let's see how I can do. Okay, so that was pretty far to the side for me for a normal shot. I usually get it a little straighter when I'm trying. I like my throw, that's for my straight throw, of course. I'm gonna do my curved throw is the main one that I rely on, because that's got the most structure for me. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Never seen that happen in all my years. Just gonna try to hammer this one through and just get as many spares and strikes as I can. I don't even know what my top score is at this point, but it's not great. So maybe I'll set it today. Ooh, this is a bit tough, so I think I'm going to do like and I'm just really like rushing through this. I'm clicking through every screen really fast just to, get this game in. You can see it's pretty fast. If you got multiple people though, and you're taking your time, you're not clicking through the screens, it definitely, takes a few minutes to play a game. This is my all-time fastest game I've ever played. I've never been through this quickly, but I can't. Let's try to show you here. This is my last one. Come on. Oh. Okay, well at least maybe I can get a spare and then get one extra shot. Okay, come on, a strike here would be nice. Finish it off with style. And nope, just a huge split. So, I'm not gonna lie, replay. Scored 154. It's not bad for me actually, but you can imagine this would be a lot of fun passing the remote around. I did at one time have an incident with this game where someone tossed the remote, so I bought this handy little remote holder for a few bucks on Amazon. It was one of those value tech items, and it's all right. It definitely works for that kind of thing, but yeah, what else can I say? That was the classic 10-pin game. You want to see some of the other mini games, check out the link in the description below, or subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you'll get notified when that video drops. If you have any comments on this video, on the game, questions, anything you want to see, drop us a comment below and I'd be happy to answer. But in the meantime, thanks for joining us on the Tech Couch, and take it easy.